Uh-oh, wait a minute. Is it stuck on my hair? Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by NadulaHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now this install is gonna be real quick but teachable, okay? Because your girl got some things to do and I wanna look cute. But first, it's sip and slay, okay? And your girl got her mimosa mug, but I don't have a mimosa, so sip it up for me, please. I appreciate it, thank you. Now, before I get into my tips and tricks and show you guys how I do my up styles, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you wanna see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from NadulaHair. All the specs of my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. It is a 13x4 pre-everything unit. It also comes with the tape already on the wig. So if you want to wear this unit semi-glueless, you can definitely do that. I say semi because sometimes the ear tape is not, you know, as secure as you may like it to be. So you may want to go ahead and tap around your hairline with some Got to Be Even or my favorite Esha melt spray and secure your wig down. We're going to try to rock this unit glueless, maybe with some bobby pins. We'll see. To be honest, I'm not really a fan of the tape just because of how it looks on the skin once you peel it off. But I'm going to show you guys how to put that on really quick. It should be very simple. And then I'll go ahead on with the install. This is going to be real easy because I got some things to do today, but I want to show you guys how I do my up style. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little clank clank, a little whole bath, okay? It does have that chemical smell in it and I want to get that out. Don't do what I'm doing. This is only for the in-between washes. First wear though, wash your wig. I don't have no dry shampoo, so I'm gonna use my hair freshener just to help camouflage this smell. Then I'm gonna hit it with the water. Before I put this on my head, I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. Get that on my brush. Let me get this all around the hairline. When I put this on my head, it was a little snug, so let me go ahead and just loosen this up a bit. I'm gonna take off these straps in the back just to make sure it's gonna fit down comfortably, okay? It may not come down all the way on my sides, but I still want it to be comfortable. The one thing about these wigs, you gotta like tighten down the band because that will be loose, but the cap will be tight. Move this down some. They sent me some clips, here we go. See how it's like, it's right on my hair. No, thank you. But I will show you guys how it looks. Take the tape, peel it off. Ooh, I don't want to put this on my hair. I'm gonna kind of move it up some, just for this part. Put it on, then you press it. Am I in focus? Mine is gonna pull because it's too short on my sides. But also the tape is really shiny. Use your makeup product to kind of dull that down, and you can kind of use the hairs to camouflage that a bit. Now mine is holding right now. It feels pretty decent. Hold on, let me. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Is it stuck on my hair? Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Let me take my time and pull this off. It was a decent enough hold. This tape is supposed to be good to up to like 3 to 5 wears. I would say a good like 1 to 2, depending on how you're rocking it. All I did was just peel it right off and I can put new ones on there if I want to. You can use that tape however you want across your hairline. I'm just gonna camouflage my sides anyway for the up styles. I'll show you guys how I do that. How they cut this wig off, they cut it right up against the hairline. So the hairline looks really short. I will need to go in and kind of finagle mine with some swishies to kind of open that up a bit. For my hairline, I'm gonna use my Nairobi Mousse because again, I wanna wear this unit glueless. And like I told y'all, me and Ken are celebrating 10 years of marriage this year and we're having a party. And if I want to be extra, I may change out my wigs during that time. So these are just styles that I can kind of swap out that are pretty easy for me, especially because they're glueless. My sides are short, so make sure I get that down like that. Put the glasses over top the wig. For my swishy girls, see there's nothing right here? You put the mousse on the hairline, tap it in, and then you're just swishing the hair. Circular motions. That's it. That's all you're doing all the way around the hairline. It looks a little messy, but once you tie it down and then take it off, it's gonna be, you'll see, you'll see. They sent me a band, tied down to the back. Uh-oh, I be trying to do too much on my big head. Let me just clip it up like this, right around and down. Golly, 3rd time's a charm. I'll always have trouble with that. Like I said, I'm doing an up style. So put mousse all over the hair. Honestly, I'm not looking for super like clumped definition because of the style that I'm doing. Hold up, I got some shedding. And this is gonna be more of like a messy updo type of look. If you want a more defined curl, definitely go in with your detangler brush. This is really quick, so I'm just showing you guys how to do it. If you don't wanna take a lot of time, let me add some water to the hair. I do feel like this hair is breaking off a little bit more than usual for Nadula. As you can see, I did not go in and clump it a lot. I'm pretty much using the curls in its natural state without the extra clumping. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse the hair, then we'll come back and style it. The reason I styled it or prep my curls like this is because I'm doing an up style, so I don't want them to be super tight. Don't worry, keep watching. Let me just get it all up on top of my head first. Take a bow right here, like this. Just wrap it one time. Hold up, let me move my camera up. Ugh, why are you on my nape? Like so. See how the hairline is sitting? I can work with that. Get your edge brush. I got forehead real estate, so I can pretty much put this wig where I want. I'm gonna pull out some hair right here. We're gonna use that to cover my sides. Yeah, I know I like messy updos. I pulled down those pieces and now I'm just moving my hands against the wig and teasing up the sides. Put my glasses over top of my lace, back behind my ears. Pull that back like this. Now y'all see what those swishies did? Made it very natural looking. And now all I'm doing is placing it or pushing it back if I don't need it. Now for the back, clearly that's not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring some of the hair down like this. I like doing it this way just because I have more control over how the back is looking. You're gonna bring this side down, same way. Bring it around my ears. And then I'm gonna take my bobby pin, press this against my head, and I'm gonna bobby pin the hair back to the back of the cap or around my nape to give that look, okay? Get this side down. Let me turn around so y'all can see what I'm doing. Tease it up a bit. Before I finish up the rest, I'm just gonna tie down my front just to make sure the wig not gonna move while I'm doing this part. Right now it's still a little wet, so I'm gonna blow dry this as dry as I can get it. I'm gonna use the brush they sent me. It looks like a paddle brush, but it also has bristles. I'm just gonna tease up this hair a little bit. I want messy, like Miss Frizzle. All right, I'm gonna tighten it again. And one more time. Keep frizzing it up how I want it. Keep on shaping it. I'm not gonna cut it. Let me take off the band so I can see how it's sitting now. I do want some hairs out in the front. Pull a little bit out like this. Take my mousse so I can curl these up. For the ponytail, I do want to lift it a little bit more, so I'm just going to take another ponytail, pull it up like this for like a bun situation, kind of, sort of. Pull some of this down in the back. I could definitely rock it like this, and I don't feel like it'll budge too much, but I can definitely feel that if I even shift this a little bit, this is gonna come up. So I'm just gonna spray this down right here in the front, just to make sure it's not gonna move for me. Using my Esha melt spray, let me use a little bit of my contour, just to make sure my lace is gonna be blended down. Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Katsina. Tap the excess on paper and work it around my hairline, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. And I think that is it for the look. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. I really hope these tips will help y'all get y'all up styles together. They are clutch, especially in the warmer months whenever it decides to get warm. I don't want the wig on my neck. So, you know, to pull it up and still give a cute little look, I like that. I mean, I learned from YouTube, and here I am on YouTube teaching y'all. Listen, full circle. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to NadulaHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.